Okay, let's start. So, నేను ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే సార్ చెప్పండి. Sent you some questions in the group yesterday. Tell me if you have any doubts in those. If there are no doubts, we'll start with the next concept. We will continue with the theory part. Fast గా చెప్పాలి, ఫాస్ట్ చెప్పాలి. ఏం లేవా? ఓకే, so let's proceed with the next concept. Parametric equations of parabola. Okay, so parametric equation. So in the circles also we discussed the parametric equation. Parametric equation of circle is, there the parameter is theta. Okay, a cos theta comma a sin theta. If it is a standard circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square. If the equation is x square plus y square is equal to r square, in case of circle, then the parametric equation is a cos theta comma a sin theta. There the theta is the parameter. Okay, so ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తాం మనం? సపోజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పాయింట్ ఆన్ ద సర్కిల్. సపోజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పాయింట్ ఆన్ ద సర్కిల్. So instead of two variables, to make it a single variable, we use parameter theta. We use parameter theta, and this parametric equation or the parametric point, the point theta, the point theta on the circle, which is a cos theta comma a sin theta. So which helps you to convert the point into a single variable. Okay, to convert the point into a single variable point. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి? x1 y1 లో. In this point there are two variables. See, x1 and y1. But in this point there is only one variable. Okay, so always, obviously, single variable is always better than two variables, right? While solving any problem. Now, coming to this parametric equation. So first we'll see for parabola, y square is equal to 4ax, standard parabola. Okay, so standard equation of parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. So for this, the parameter we are going to consider is t. Parameter we are going to consider is t. Now here t belongs to r. Now suppose equation is x is equal to at square and y is equal to 2at. X is equal to at square and y is equal to 2at. So these are the parametric equations of parabola. Y square is equal to 4x. Etla ante simple. See, in LHS there is a perfect square. In LHS there is a perfect square. So if you can able to convert the RHS into a perfect square, then 4 is already a perfect square. 4 is already a perfect square. 2 square. Now there is a single a. So if I get another a, I'll get a square, which is also a perfect square. And then there should be a parameter. You should not end with a, because a is constant, 4 is also a constant. You should not end with a. Now there should be a parameter t. Okay, using t also you should make a perfect square, which is t square, simple one, t square. So that's how you got x is equal to at square. So obviously if x is equal to at square, then this will be 4a square t square. Then what will be y? y square is equal to 4a square t square, then y is equal to plus or minus 280. But keeping that t can be positive or negative, like I said, t belongs to real numbers, t can be positive or negative. You just leave it with 280 but not plus or minus 280. Okay, so parametric point on parabola, parametric point for, okay, or you can say on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, it will be at square comma 280, at square comma 280. Coming to y square is equal to minus 4ax, again 80 square comma minus 280, or okay, see 4ax, this will be, see, like I told in the previous lectures, for this parabola x coordinate should be always negative, right? For any point on this parabola, for every point on this parabola x coordinate is either negative or 0. Here x coordinate is either positive or 0. That's how you got 80 square, that's it. Okay, is 80 square negative? No, it is always positive, because a is already positive, t square is also positive, so it can be either 0 or positive. For this parabola, for any point on this parabola, x coordinate is either negative or 0. So for that, we're going to get minus 80 square comma 280, minus 80 square comma 280. So x square is equal to 4by, x square is equal to 4by. Now y should be 80 square here, and y coordinate is positive, so it is simply 80 square, and sorry, not 80 square, bt square, bt square, and 2bt. A or B doesn't make any difference, it's just a constant, and 4b is the length of lattice rectum for this parabola, and for this it's 4a. Next, x square is equal to minus 4by, x square is equal to minus 4by. So for this parabola, okay, for this parabola, see, minus bt square, because y coordinate is negative, and then 2bt. Any doubt in this? Any doubt till here? నా మొబైల్లో కూడా మీటింగ్ జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. ఓకే, మీరు మెసేజ్ పెడితే నాకు కనపడుతుంది వెంటనే. So if you have any doubts, no? So these are the parametric equations. Parametric point, very important. At square comma 280. This is very important. Okay, maximum అన్ని questions లో వాడతాం. We're going to use this in almost every question. Okay, 80 square comma 280, very important. Next, suppose the parabola is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. Suppose the parabola is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h, then what are you going to do? Okay, simple. For this it would be similarly same, at square comma 280. Only difference is here there is an origin shift. There is an origin shift. So to which point? H comma k. So this will be h plus 80 square and k plus 280. H plus 80 square comma k plus 280. That is the parametric point. దీనికి అదే x minus h whole square is equal to 4b into y minus k. అంటే జస్ట్ దీనికే h కి యాడ్ చేసేయండి, అంతే అయిపోయింది. h plus 2bt, h plus 2bt comma k plus bt square. Okay, any doubts still here? No? Okay, next. Okay, next time ఉన్నాయి మనకి some notations. y square minus 4ax. Guttuna s1, s11. Okay, in the circles we have discussed this. S is the equation of circle. Okay, now suppose there's a point P, consider x1 comma y1. There's a point P, x1 comma y1 with respect to this parabola, this s. So s1 will be equal to y1, y1. I told you a trick. So whatever is there here with respect to whatever is present here, just divide with 2. Divide with 2. We'll get 2a of x plus x1. That is s1. That is s1. S11. Obviously, what is s11? Substituting the point in the equation, in the expression. So that would be y1 square minus 4ax1. Okay. Suppose there is another point q, x2 comma y2. Okay. And what will be s12? S12. y1 y2 minus 2a of x1 plus x2. That is the meaning of s12. Okay, so there is a notation similar to circles. ఇక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చేవన్నీ maximum circles తో relate చేసుకుంటూ చెప్పుకోవచ్చు మనం. Okay, so most of them will be similar to the formulas we have discussed in circles. So now the thing is, position of a point with respect to a parabola. Position of point with respect to parabola. Okay, so point P x1 comma y1 and the parabola s is equal to 0, and the parabola equation s is equal to 0. Now point P, okay, lies on, point P lies inside the parabola, on the parabola, outside the parabola. This is also similar to circles only. ఎలా చెప్తాం circles ఎలా చెప్తాం? Whether the point is inside the circle, on the circle or outside the circle, how do you decide that? Same way. Okay, ఇంకా రాలా ఆన్సర్ అని రాలా ఇంకా వచ్చింది s11. Okay, so depending on the value of s11, we decide whether the point is inside or on or outside the circle, outside the parabola or circle. తర్వాత hyperbola కి అదే, ellipse కి కూడా అదే అన్నమాట. Okay, so now if s11 is less than 0, s11 is equal to 0, s11 greater than 0. Okay, so the point lies inside the parabola. If s11 is less than 0, it lies on the parabola. If s11 is equal to 0, outside the parabola. If s11 is greater than 0. Okay, any doubts in this? Okay, clear ayant varaku? Any doubts in this? లేదా? Okay, equation of chord passing through P 81 square comma 281, or passing through అనే కన్నా జాయినింగ్ అనండి ఇంకా బెటర్గా ఉంటుంది. Equation of chord joining, okay, P81 square comma 281, Q AT2 square comma 282, AT2 square comma 282. ఎలా వస్తుంది కనుక్కోండి. 2 పాయింట్ ఫామ్ వేసేయచ్చు డైరెక్ట్గా, అవునా? డౌట్ ఉందా ఇందులో? సో బేసికలీ దట్ వుడ్ బి y of t1 plus t2 is equal to 2x plus 2a t1 t2. That is the equation. Y of t1 plus t2 is equal to 2x plus 2a t1 t2. Simple 2-point form. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. ఆ ఫార్ములా ఇస్తే అది వచ్చేస్తుంది డైరెక్ట్ గా. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోకల్ కార్డ్. నేను చెప్పా కదా కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయని ఫోకల్ కార్డ్ గురించి. సో నౌ విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ఫోకల్ కార్డ్. Okay. So now, if one endpoint is ఇక్కడే చూసేద్దాం మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు సపరేట్గా. ఓకే